Have you ever clicked login with Google or sign in with Facebook and wondered how it works without typing your password again? That's OAuth 2.0 in action, the modern web's way of sharing access safely. OAuth 2.0 stands for Open Authorization. It lets apps access your data without sharing your password. Think of it as giving someone a temporary key to your house, not your real keys, so they can water your plants, but not open your bedroom. Let's meet the 4 key players in the OAuth 2.0 story. First, the user, that's you. You own the data. Next, the client app, like Spotify, wants to access your data. Then, the authorization server, like Google, verifies you. Finally, the resource server, like Google Contacts, where your data lives. Imagine you're on Spotify, and it asks to see your Google contacts. You click Login with Google. Spotify redirects you to Google with a request. Please ask the user if I can read their contacts. This is the authorization request, detailing who's asking, what's requested, and where to send the answer. Google shows a screen. Spotify wants to access your contacts. Do you allow it? You click Allow. Google knows you agree. Google gives Spotify a temporary authorization code. Spotify secretly sends this code back to Google servers to ask for an access token. Google replies with an access token. Spotify uses this token to ask the Google Contacts API, "Hey, here's my token, can I get the contacts?" Google verifies the token and, if valid, says, "Sure, here's the user's contact list." You're connected without sharing your Google password. Tokens don't last forever. When an access token expires, Spotify can use a refresh token to get a new one without bothering you. Access tokens grant temporary access with a short lifetime. Refresh tokens renew access silently with a long lifetime. ID tokens prove who the user is, used in OpenID Connect, also with a short lifetime. Why use OAuth 2.0? You don't share your password, and apps get limited access, like read-only contacts. You can revoke access anytime from your Google account, and it's fast, secure, and widely supported. But OAuth must be implemented carefully. If a token leaks, attackers can access your data. Fake login with Google pages can phish your info. Always check the URL and permissions before approving. You're using OAuth every day without realizing it. Think of login with Google or login with Facebook. Connecting Instagram to Twitter or granting Zoom access to your calendar. It's the invisible bridge that keeps the web connected and secure. So, the next time you log in with Google or Facebook, remember, you're not sharing your password. You're simply granting temporary, secure access using OAuth 2.0. And that's the beauty of modern web security.